Hi there. Well, I want us today to have a look at how Thrive works. So you can see on your screen there are different packages available that you can buy. So let's start here with the first one. It's called the bronze. That is one share that you can buy. It's a once-off payment of 0.08 Bitcoins. So I want you to take note of the fact that it's a once-off payment. There's no monthly fees. There's no other fees, no hidden fees, no nothing. You pay a once-off payment of only 0.08 Bitcoins. Now 0.0 Bitcoins we have to now convert to rand for some people and dollars for some people. Other people use other currencies. And remember, all the Bitcoins stays the same. The amount of Bitcoins that you pay and that you receive, the Bitcoin stays the same, but the dollars and the rand value and other currencies, that obviously changes with the market value of the Bitcoins. So if you buy a bronze, you buy one ad share, that's 0.08 Bitcoins, which gives you 3,200 Rand more or less. Now this is what we pay now on the 16th of June, where I'm recording this video. So that's more or less the value today. It's about 3,200 Rand for the 0.08 Bitcoins. In dollars, that gives you $250 that you're going to pay for one ad share to join Thrive. But now you can see here's different packages here all along. You get the yellow package, you get the green, you get the pink there, you get the black and the purple, and finally you get the blue. Okay, all the different packages. So the yellow consists out of 4 ad shares, the green out of 7, pink 14, black 28, purple 56, and the last one, the blue, is 112 ad shares. So for the bronze, as we said, you pay 0.08. For the yellow, you pay 0.3 Bitcoins. And 0.3 Bitcoins is about 11,500 Rand today, which gives you about $900 for today. And then the next one is a green, 7 ad shares. That costs a half Bitcoin, 0.5 Bitcoin, and 0.5 Bitcoin is about 19,100 Rand, and the dollar value is about $1,500. That is what you pay, and then from here on, the price double every time. 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 4 Bitcoin, and so you can take the one here at the 7, green, which is 19,100, which is $1,500. 19,100 Rand, which is $1,500. So you can take that amount, double it with this one to see how much it is, double this one, double it again with this one, and then let's have a look at the last one. The last one is the blue Tanzanite. It's 112 ad shares that you buy with a once-off payment of 8 Bitcoins, which gives you 300,000 Rand, more or less 300,000 Rand, and that's about $24,000 that you're going to pay for this one. Now I want us to have a look at the payouts that you're going to receive. Let's start here again. This is the total profit that you will make per cycle. Now a cycle, let me just explain to you, that is when you have 10 levels under you full of shares. Now every level double in number. The first level under you has 2 shares, the next one has 4 shares, then 8 shares, then 16 shares, then 32 shares, then 64 shares, and then 112, I think. Anyway, it doubles in number up to level 10. When your level 10 is full of shares, then you cycle. And this is so amazing, because now you go to the next cycle. You don't pay again. You just move over to the next cycle. And all the shares under you, as they cycle, they follow you. So there's no recruiting necessary to get them. They automatically follow you and produce an income again. So this is a continuous income for the rest of your life. Every cycle that is completed, produce a new cycle again. You go over into a new cycle. So all these shares that you accumulate, and you must remember every share multiply in shares as well. So every share produces more shares. So this is like a snowball effect. It's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And I believe it's going to happen faster and faster and faster. Your money is going to come in. So this is an amazing opportunity. You are investing today into your future. So let's just quickly have a look at the profits. If you buy one ad share, your profit in a cycle is going to be 6.2 Bitcoins, which gives you about 140,000 Rand, which is $15,700. The next one, the yellow, will produce 24.8 Bitcoins in a cycle, which is about 900,000 Rand, which is equal to $62,000. Okay, that's the estimate values. So I'm not going to go into all these ones. You can see it there for yourself, the amounts. You can also see this in our website, in Thrive website. So you can just go in under ad share packages and you can get this thing that you see in front of you. You can get it there and then you can calculate from what I showed you. But let's just jump here to the last one, the blue tanzanite, which is 112 ad shares, which you bought for 8 Bitcoins. And the 8 Bitcoins cost you, let me just get here, it cost you about 300,000 Rand for the 8 Bitcoins. Yeah? And then the dollar value of that is about $24,000, which you paid for this. Now, a cycle is going to produce 694.4 Bitcoins. That is absolutely crazy. What is the amount on that? The amount on that is $1.7 million, which gives you 24 million Rand. And that is from a once-off investment of 412 ad shares, a once-off investment of 8 Bitcoins, which is 306,000 Rand or $24,000. And it produces $1.7 million, which is 24 million Rand. It is incredible. Lastly, when you join, you can now sell these packages. And just quickly, for one ad share that you sell is 0.01 Bitcoin commission that you earn. That is about 350 Rand immediately, or $27-28, somewhere around there. Then the next one, if you sell a yellow, you get 0.05 Bitcoins, immediately 1,700 Rand in your pocket, or $134 in your pocket. And so it go on. The next one, the green, if you sell a green, which is 7 ad shares, you sell that one, you get 0.1 Bitcoins, which is 3,500 Rand, and that gives you $280. And then it goes on, and let's jump to the last one again here. If you sell a blue tanzanite, you immediately get 56,000 Rand in your pocket. One sale of one blue, 56,000 Rand in your pocket. That is about $4,500. $4,500 immediately in your pocket if you sell a blue tanzanite. So you can see this is an awesome opportunity. It's an endless opportunity. You are investing in your future with a continuous income. So I trust that helped you to understand how Thrive is working and that you can see the potential. Thank you for watching.